An example of Newton's second law. Newton's second law states that when forces are not balanced, objects will accelerate. In my previous video explaining the first law, I used an example of a block being held by a table. So the block here has a balanced force because the table is holding it up while the gravity is pushing down on it. But if I push on the block, it has an unbalanced force, seen here. So as I push on this block, it slowly accelerates. That is, if I push on it more than the amount of friction is. An easier way to see this would be if I just pushed on it and then let go. See how it decelerates? That's because after I stop pushing, there is just an unbalanced force of friction, which decelerates it until it stops. So here's the math behind unbalanced forces. Force equals mass times acceleration, and force is measured in newtons, which is equal to 1 kilogram per meter per second squared. So if this block's mass was 1 kilogram and the force I was pushing would be 1 newton, its acceleration, if you did the math, would be 1 meter per second squared.